Draw the lines.
So let's see the video first.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have to draw with.
No, no, you don't have to draw. You just have to see that shapes are given shapes, then objects. Shapes like circle, triangle, rectangle will be given, and objects also will be given. Like star will be given, some flags will be given. Then you have to divide, and you have to see that both the parts are equal or not. Now, suppose if heart is given, and you are dividing into two part, but not using this line, but using this line. So upside downside part will be same.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
It
No,
will be
ma'am.
different. It
So
will
No,
be
ma'am.
different.
so we can divide this using only vertical line, no?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I don't understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Now suppose a rectangle is given. So how can you divide vertically, horizontally? How many line will be there? Symmetrical line. In
There
this
are
way you can
only two vertical.
vertically and horizontal. Only vertically,
Ma'am, vertical.
only horizontal or both.
Vertically and ma'am, vertical and horizontal both.
Yes.
Vertical and
Vertically and
horizontal.
horizontal both.
Very good. Yes. Very good. So both way we can divide, no, into two equal same mirror.
Yes.
Now this one also you only have to tell me.
Ma'am, vertical and horizontal both.
Yes,
Vertical and
ma'am.
horizontal both.
Okay. Now sometime some shapes. Someone mic is unmute, so please mute the mic. So some shape has only one line. Then shapes like rectangle has two line, and shapes like circle has so many line. Infinite because it has so many line. You can see this. Oh, everywhere means this way slant way also we can divide into two. So this is slanting line, then this is sleeping line, standing line, every time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is symmetrical shape, means shape which we can divide into two parts, means which has that symmetrical line, symmetry line of symmetry. So that line is line of symmetry, and the shape
Ma'am,
which has that line that is symmetrical shape. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't understand this circle formula.
we have to just divide that. We have to see that it has mirror image or not. They have only shown this that one way these both are equal. Here these both are equal.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
This way these both are also equal. But here, if I will do it this way, these both will be equal.
Ma'am, this will be not equal.
Huh.
This will be not equal.
Huh.
Ma'am, can
Okay,
I
ma'am.
ask one?
Thank you, ma'am.
Bolo.
Ma'am, ma'am, when ma'am, you when in half shape there was no equal in both. Ma'am, but
Your
it is equal in both.
your voice is not clear. I guess whether you are sitting at noisy place or someone's mic is on mute, some other student. So you check and tell her to mute the mic.
Ma'am, I says mic is unmute.
Ma'am, Muzammil Sharmali's mic is unmute.
Okay, other student, please mute the mic that can Iman can speak.
Ma'am, you tell that in hardship there is not equal from both sides.
Huh.
Ma'am, but it is equal from both sides.
Huh. Suppose now I don't have to draw. I am showing. Wait. Huh. Huh. Now you tell me if this line is not given, only this line. So upside downside parts are same.
Yes.
Same upside and downside. Upside is this, downside. I can't draw it. This is online lecture, but you can draw practically, and then you can see that upside downside are same or not. Okay, this is line of symmetry. This is circle, so this also downside also it should be circle. That is line of symmetry. Okay,
Yes.
okay, both are
And ma'am, in
equal.
circle,
हाँ बोलो.
ma'am, in circle shape, we do equal part. Ma'am, so in both sides that is not same.
Why not same? See, this is
It
circle.
is same that both side.
Here this sleeping line, standing line, both way same. Okay. Now any doubts?
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Now flower is given. Sometimes some flower has some very unequal shape like a rose or something. We can't divide that. But some flower has a perfect shape that we can. So you have to think about this also that this we can.
Where is this?
Yes, ma'am, we can divide this flower.
This way. We will draw a vertical line.
Yes, ma'am, vertical line.
In horizontal.
Yes, ma'am, we can do horizontal also.
Horizontal and vertical both.
Horizontal.
Yes, ma'am, horizontal and vertical both.
Hmm.
Both horizontal and vertical both.
Rectangle. They are showing that rectangle also all the three shape they are showing that all these three shape we can divide using vertical line and but only for the heart we can't use horizontal line but for other two we can use.
Yes, ma'am, we can use. Yes, ma'am, we can use.
Now they are showing different objects butterfly and all. So in the textbook also it will be given like some objects will be given you have to just think like we can't cut the butterfly or divide the butterfly but we just have to think that it has that line of symmetry or not. So horizontal or vertical, same question.
Ma'am, vertically.
Vertical. Ma'am, vertical only.
Yes.
Ma'am, only vertical. And horizontal both. No, ma'am, no, ma'am, not horizontal, only vertical only.
Only
Yes.
vertical.
It's only vertical because then
Marine camera is on. In a rabbit,
Uh,
vertically only.
line.
Yes,
huh,
ma'am, only vertically.
Rabbit,
Then rabbit will be half. We will do no horizontal line.
because in butterfly and rabbit, if you will use horizontal, then in any one part, upside part, that face and everything, and downside part, legs and everything. So both are not same face and legs. That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Then here they are showing these objects also, alphabet A and everything. But directly they are showing the answer only that I can't tell you. That first think. So you can see
why?
about object that this
Yes,
we
ma'am.
can divide using
Ma'am, in
vertical.
that smiley face, we can do horizontal also, no?
Beta. No, eyes, upside eyes and downside lips. So that horizontally we can't. If only circle is there, only circle, then we can. But eyes
And ma'am,
and smile. That's why.
Ma'am, in after side, we can do horizontal, not?
Array one, one,
ma'am,
one, one,
ma'am,
one.
in this blue color, we do both, no?
In which
In, ma'am, in
Last.
smiley after.
last this
Yes,
one.
Yes, ma'am.
Small
We
part.
can
This
do.
one is big part. If
Yes, ma'am.
square,
Then
so
we can
sorry,
do both.
it's very.
Ma'am, that we can do both lines.
For square we can do. For rectangle also we can do.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we read out or shall we do the next?
Then this after smile.
हाँ बोलो बोलो कौन?
Ma'am, after smile is which shape?
Pentagon.
Pentagon.
What?
So if 5 sides are there, if 6 sides are there, if 7, so everything means even last year or somewhere you have learned no hexagon and everything. You have not learned?
Octagon,
No, no, no.
pentagon,
हाँ.
hexagon.
Who is that? Who
Ma'am,
have
we
done
have
that?
learned. Ma'am, Muskan.
Yes. Hexagon, octagon, everything. Like if
Yes.
7
Yes.
sides are there, if 6 sides are there, because square has only 4 sides.
Yes, please.
So now you
Because I
can
have learned in third standard.
making a symmetrical figure. Heading is change, making a symmetrical figure. Means you have to complete this way. My drawing is not good, so I'm just trying.
Ma'am, can I tell how to do?
Means we can do using mirror also sometime, using mirror. In the question, in the textbook also I'm showing how it is given in the textbook.
Yes, ma'am. In textbook is 1, then B.
Question 3 is that you can see, use a mirror.
No, मैम और मिरर में हम कोई भी वर्ड रखे ना सामने तो वो उल्टा दिखता है.
Yes. So in the textbook also all these questions are given that in question 3 you have to draw. In question 2 you have to think that it has a 0 means not even horizontally, not even vertically. We can't divide. If I'll use horizontal, both the part are same.
Yes, ma'am.
Both the parts are same. Design, color, everything. Design, color, shape,
No,
everything.
ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Same.
Ma'am, it's
But
different.
design,
Ma'am, in outside is design is different.
Ma'am, I don't understand how to do this.
you have to draw a line and you have to think. Both are same, upside down or downside.
No, ma'am, no same.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can divide
No,
Indian
ma'am.
flag
And
and
then
ma'am.
28 kingdom flag
No,
and South
ma'am.
Korean flag.
No, ma'am.
means that it has 0 line. That's why. Then
Zero.
is
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. Both. Ma'am, we can do vertical and horizontal both.
Yes.
then this one we can't divide, no? Color, you have to match the color also. Upside, downside.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
today
color is
also
same.
Indian flag also too, ma'am.
So horizontally we can't divide, but vertically,
Vertically we can do. Yes,
same.
ma'am. Vertically we can do.
Yes. So means on
Ma'am,
the
both we can do.
so
And
in the
madam, we can divide South Korean flag also.
yes. So in the text all these questions are given, which I am showing in the video. Okay, that you have to draw the line of symmetry, horizontal, vertical, and all. And then question 3, which showing that you have to complete that.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you sent that video in that it means every
Every.
sender will come.
Please repeat no.
Ma'am, which link you have sent in that every sender video will come.
Means that that is link of only yesterday's maths lecture. But when you will click on that downside symbol of the channel, so it will show all the videos of all the standard.
So ma'am, can I subscribe now that channel?
But I have subscribed all the Mahdi School channel.
I think I have subscribed, ma'am.
Yes, what? Someone said something or what?
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, Insia tell that I have subscribed.
Even I have subscribed. So, what I was telling you, that in the textbook, all these questions. So in the textbook, all these questions are given, and the same thing I am explaining right now. That how can you complete that other shape? Means I have tried to draw that star. I have just try, because I am not perfect.
Ma'am, because in mobile.
Even so now see now they are just completing that.
Which of
They
these
have drawn other half and it's complete now.
to make cubes?
Please rewind.
So half star is given. Half we have to draw. And it
Ma'am,
won't
उन्होंने
be-
कब दिया स्टार?
yes. This is first half and this is second half this side.
Ma'am, in star we do both side, horizontal and vertical.
No,
Hmm.
ma'am. We can't do horizontally.
Yes, we do both. Ma'am.
Circle. So
Yes, ma'am.
circle also half will be given. You have to draw other half. So now they will cut and they will show that half. Then you have to draw this way.
Ma'am, in rough book,
Naini, I'm just telling you that this way, if it is given, like if it was offline,
Ma'am, you explain not to. Question number 1, I don't understand.
which question number one?
In chapter number 9.
Means I have just told you about that this kind of examples are means this kind of questions are given. That's why I'm explaining this in the video. But that
Okay,
we
ma'am.
will do in detail tomorrow.
Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So right now, just understand the video. That this way all the half figures are given you to complete and everything. But if you know you are coming to school, if it was offline lecture on that I can ask this question, but in Google form I can't ask this question, no. So I will convert
Yes.
that into MCQ or something. That options will be
Yes.
given and all. I will try. I
Yes.
will think to ask how to ask this shape.
Yes.
Ma'am, what?
In Google form I can't ask no this that you to draw and everything. So
Ma'am,
I
in
will
exam.
just convert in exam. Google form that Google exam.
Ma'am, but
Oh,
in Google
sir,
Form,
in exam.
no, ma'am.
I will ask in MCQ maybe. I will means
Oh,
I can transform all these shapes and everything into objective with the options.
okay.
Because
Okay, ma'am.
how can you draw in that Google form?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can.
What? If
Ma'am,
I
it's a
would
half.
have asked, if I would have asked about that complete this, so you will send that circle, full circle from emojis.
Circle.
Suppose this is the question that you have to complete this other half circle.
Then we
But
have to
we
find
can.
emoji. Then we have to send in Google Form.
Suppose this is a exam. If I want to ask this in exam,
Okay.
Yes.
so you can't draw no in Google form. So
No,
maybe
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. No draw.
you will send me emoji of that circle.
Okay, ma'am.
In rough book, we have to draw and you send to personal.
And ma'am, in keyboard also there is no shapes.
Ma'am, in rough book, we have to do and you send personally.
You can. So that's why I'm thinking about this chapter that how to ask. So this way also it can be even see in so many way we can draw means we can divide into two parts. Now what is the time?
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am. Right. Yes, ma'am. Right. 10 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. 10 o'clock.
So see this star is not perfect.
Yes, ma'am. This style is not perfect.
So someone who is not expert in drawing they have drawn this. So you can see this part and this part. So that's why the heading is that not symmetrical means this is opposite that these both are not symmetrical.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, one side is small and one side is big, and the left side is small.
Yes. So some shape no doesn't have perfect shape. So that doesn't have that line of symmetry, not even one. Like we have seen in that flag, that
Yes.
first flag has zero, then another has two line, then Indian flag has one that way.
Zainab ma'am,
Yes,
can I ask one question?
yes, ask.
मैम जैसे आपके पास एक गोल केक हो और आपके पास 3 चांस हो तो उसमें आपको 12 पीस करने हैं तो डिवाइड करके हम कैसे कर सकते हैं
तो अभी वो केक कहाँ से आए?
मैम फॉर एग्जांपल लाइक एनी सर्कल शेप
तो क्यों ऐसे कहाँ से क्वेश्चन आया? That is not regarding this.
मैम इट इज रिगार्डिंग
How? I have shown no in that. See, I have shown that we can divide any circle. See this way. We can divide any circle.
मैम
This
बट यू हैव ओनली 3 चांस
you have only. Hey,
3
wait.
चांस 12
Three chance and you have to divide into 12 parts. Now you are asking
यस
me all the questions that we are coming, which are coming in that WhatsApp messages and YouTube. That way,
नो
I
मैम
will free lecture. No, that in that lecture, I will ask you, and you can also ask me the riddles and everything.
No,
Right?
ma'am, I was not
Concentrate on
asking
symmetry.
from that. I was asking from this grammatical figures only.
Symmetrical figure, I am telling you, without chances. That one, then see one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight pieces are there already.
Yes.
So any circle is there. One, two, and here, and here, four. We can divide like this. Then we will get 12 pieces. But you are saying that three chances. And I can draw so many lines. That's why. So that three chances is not about this math, means symmetry. Three chances is not about symmetry. That is
Okay, ma'am.
let me concentrate here. That you understood, no, this small part and long part.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. That it is not possible for
Huh.
symmetrical line.
Here also, so you have to give me reason why these both part are not. Here this was small, this was long. Here
Ma'am, in half part there is not line and in half part there is line of Q. Yes, ma'am.
and here.
Ma'am, here is in there is downside there is semicircle and right side only standing line.
Yes, you are
Zainab,
right.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Zainab,
ma'am.
ma'am, I don't speak for.
Here is semicircle and up is
You just have to
standing line.
find the difference that in the shape which kind of difference are there. Means
Ma'am,
curve, standing line, small part, size wise, color wise, every wise you have to see. Okay?
but I cannot understand, ma'am.
What?
In this because Q has a small line no, in right side and J. How can it possible? We can't
Symmetry.
do
What is the heading? See. The heading is that these are not symmetry, not symmetry.
symmetry.
Not equal, not equal. These are not equal that they are saying.
Oh,
This is not
ma'am.
equal.
Okay, ma'am. I understand.
Okay, that is the heading. See the heading. Symmetry means equal and asymmetry means not equal. This
Figures.
A.
Ma'am, if color is also different, then also there is
Ma'am,
not
I
Yes, shape
don't
plus
understand
design.
symmetry.
Design also. Okay, so design also you have to see, color also, size also, everything.
Ma'am, repeat one more time. Yes.
That these are not equal. This one here it is there and here it is not there. This is small, this is big. So not
Ma'am, why ma'am equal is not there?
not equal. Why not equal? That you asking or what?
No, ma'am. Zainab, ma'am.
What he was asking, let me listen to her first.
Ma'am, I don't understand symmetry.
Symmetry means equal part. And here asymmetry means not equal part.
Okay, ma'am.
So Muskan, now is this clear that they are showing that these are not same, not equal?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And what are that who was speaking just now before few minutes?
Iman.
Man, what?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if alphabet is O and one side is green and one side is orange,
Hmm.
so if
Ha,
we do
not same.
horizontal, so not equal, no.
Not equal because see in that flag also color, design, everything we have checked. No, not only shape. Shape also we have to check. Design also, color also, everything. Now any
Okay.
doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No doubt.
No, ma'am, not Darwin.
Okay, so now it's 10:07. So I just want to give you some instruction. So I'm giving that
You're telling us
instruction.
that,
मैम वो 1,000 वाला टेबल मैम है ना
ma'am,
मैम
you
वो
are
मैंने
telling that.
आई
I will tell you that who are not giving online classing answer
मैम
and not coming and Diwali. Yes, ma'am.
those who are home present
You
and
are
I
telling that
will
ma'am has give you
tell
list.
certificate नहीं yes ma'am
That only I wanted to tell you today. That's why I saw the timing that only few minutes are left. So
yes
I stopped teaching and I. But you don't have patience. Why only few students are there now? Why other student left?
Ma'am, I was there. Ma'am, I am
ma'am
here only.
I am also here on the ma'am I am here
So
Ma'am,
just
I am also here only.
no, just tell me that after there were 22, I guess total, and now it is 14. So who left? Please, someone tell me afterwards personally.